Are you looking for the perfect finger food for your summertime party? Well, today we are making cucumber sandwiches and they are absolutely delicious, and they're actually the first video of our tea party series. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. Let's start cooking. To start making our cucumber sandwiches, I have my cucumber and I'm using an American cucumber, but you can also use an English cucumber. It's just up to you. And I like to peel my cucumber, and then you do want to slice it super fine. So one trick I have to make sure that my sandwiches don't get soggy is once I slice my cucumber, I put it between two paper towels and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to just get some of the water out of it. And now we can just set our cucumber off to the side. And I'm going to chop some chives. This just adds a little more flavor to our cucumber sandwiches. I'm using about 1 heaping teaspoon of my chives, and you do want to chop them super fine. And I like using chives because it adds just an extra flavor to our sandwiches. Traditionally, people also use dill, but my mom really hates dill, so we are not using it today. But if you are a dill fan, feel free to add a teaspoon of dill into your mixture. Okay, I can now set this off to the side. And here I have 4 ounces of cream cheese. And to that I'm going to add in 4 ounces of butter. And both of these are soft and at room temperature, and it's a pretty warm day, so they're pretty soft. And I'm just going to mix them together until they're fully combined. Also, if you don't want to use butter, you can also use mayonnaise. It's just up to you and what you have on hand. Now that this is fully combined, I can add in my chopped chives. Next, I'm going to add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder because I love a little garlic flavor. And I'm also going to add in a little bit of lemon zest. This is optional, but I just add a little bit in to provide a little more flavor. Also, you can add some freshly cracked pepper and a dash of salt. I always recommend trying it at this time and seeing if it needs any more salt, pepper, or flavor that is missing. But I have to say, the lemon zest adds a really nice smell to it. It smells really nice, and it's also super pretty. Look at that. So now what I'm going to do is just spread a layer of my cream cheese over my bread. And some people only do one side. I like to do both sides of my bread. So we're using 2 pieces of bread. Then I'll take my dehydrated cucumbers. Some people like to keep their crusts on, but I am pro crusts off. It brings me back to my childhood and having little tea parties. So I like to cut my crusts off, but it is up to you. I also want to mention I am not throwing out my crusts. I'm actually going to be making some croutons out of these, so they are not going to waste. I have to say, these cucumber sandwiches are so delicious. I actually had them at my birthday a year ago, and they were the hit of the party. They disappeared within the hour. It was honestly really crazy. I was so happy I ate them while making them because I didn't get one the day of. Now I have all my sandwiches cut out and they look so cute and delicious. Oh, so good. It's perfectly flavored with everything that's in the cream cheese, and then you get the freshness of the cucumber. This is one of my favorite finger foods, so please let me know if you try it and what you think in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to check back in next Sunday for the second video of my tea party series, because we are making shortbread cookies with a pink buttercream frosting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.